talk to us a little bit about the last 10 years. What kind of impact has Gramiksha made? Where does it stand today?
Yeah. So looking at our journey in Gramiksha, we started with an open canvas. We thought that we'll do something in education, and we did various projects. We have set up resource centers in Gwalior and Indore, which impacts around 600 children in both the cities. And it's a library come teachers training place with all the audio visual aids, teacher learning materials. And it's an ongoing thing which we do. And then we did a lot of projects with street kids. We got them enrolled into government schools. We thought that education is the only way for the children to come out of from poverty. So we worked on street meet projects. Other than that, one very significant impact that we have done over the time, more than the children, I would say, because in government schools, we target 5th to 8th standard, the middle school, and getting the quantitative impact is not possible when we look at such young age. But when we look at our volunteers, I think that is one area where we had impacted the most. A lot of people, as I was saying, were like me, who were introvert. They developed a lot of skills. A lot of these young people, they became self-aware. Some of them have started their own organization. Some of them have ventured into development sector. Some of them are doing incredible things in their life. And one very common feedback that we get from most of our volunteers is that Gramiksha helped them in their college placements, especially when they get into the HR interview round. They say that their entire HR interview goes into telling Gramiksha's story, because all of them have had such rich experience in terms of the leadership skills that they have developed, their team working skills. And in an organization, you have all those kind of HR situations also. So that helped a lot of young people. The way that we work is that we follow a corporate structure. We have HR, PR, finance, marketing, and that helped these college going students. Like for example, say if there is a college student who is a city HR, when that person goes to the college placement, that person already knows what's the mindset of a HR. So that helps a lot. And now, if I talk about today, based on our reflections of 10 years, Gramiksha is adapting itself. We are modifying vision, and we are focusing more on young people now. So our new vision is focused on mobilizing these young people in the education sector, and we want to create more leaders in the society. After all, India needs more leaders, being one of the India is the largest country with youth population. So that's one of our primary vision now, and using these youth as a catalyst to make a change in the society, and it could be in any field. So that's what we are coming to Gramiksha now. We have also designed a fellowship program. The name is Unleashed Fellowship, where these young people in the first stage will go into understanding the self. And the idea is that before you want to make a difference in the society, you have to understand yourself. That is very important. And in the second stage, they will go into immersions to understand the problems. And in the third stage of this fellowship, they will go into an entrepreneurial training, so that whatever problems that they faced in the immersions and whatever experiences they have had, they are able to relate their self with the problem and then create a venture, so that everything is in sync with their careers. And the self is very important, as I said. So that's the new program we are going to introduce in Gramiksha this year.